Hello guys! Hello! I'm here. Tingnan mo guys, oh. Nag-ipon ako ng 3 days na ipon. Tingnan natin guys kung gaano nakarami, okay? Bibigis natin dito. Dito. Ayan. Ayan, nilalagay. Gumugulong. Saglit lang, gumulong-gulong na siya. Gumulong-gulang, gumulong-gulang. Ayan, nasa na yun? Somewhere here. Pulutin natin guys, kasi hindi mabubuo ang pera, hindi mabubuo ang 10 without 1 pesos, okay? So, let's see what's gonna happen. Let's put it there. No. Plastic na. Alam mo, parang mayroon akong piso wifi. Diba? Diba ganito kapag may piso wifi, marami kang barya. After 2 months, marami kang barya. So, ito guys, 3 days lang to. So, let's see how much money I save in 3 days. Sa totoo lang, masarap may tindahan. It's good to have a store. It's under. Ayun, saglit lang. Ay, nako, siya. Saka na yung nalalaglag. Wala naman tayong magagawa dyan, di ba? Tignan mo guys, ito na siya. Wait lang. Not done yet. Yes. 3 days lang to guys, 3 days. How if kapag 1 week talaga, di ba? Ayun, at happy naman ako sa saving results ng aking this is EAO. This is from my little incomes every day. My little store is helping me to save money. Alam mo guys, wala akong luho kapag hindi ako gumawa ng paraan, di ba? Ay nako. At ayun, thank you naman dahil thank you naman, masaya naman, happy naman, inspired naman, di ba? Thank you sa aking babe na si Mark. Thank you so much. Sige mo guys, kasi nga naman masarap na, alam mo yun, yung lalab mo ay businessman. Businessman. Kaya kailangan maging businesswoman din ako. Ang tawag dyan ay partner in life. Yeah, partner in life. Gold business forever. Di ba ito? Tignan mo guys. Ito nga pala guys ang aking ipon. Di ba? Not bad. Look. Ayan na siya guys. Sa totoo lang, there's 100 and 50. Another 50. Another 50. Ayun. Pinagluluko ko lang kayo. Another 50. Ayun. Ito ngayon guys. Ito ako ngayon. Magbibilang ng baryang kita. Hindi ko kinakahiyang kumikita ng peso. Naig ko pa ang may wifi dito. Heto ako, basang-basa sa ulahan, walang masisilungan, walang kayakap. Nasaan ang justice? Umuwi ka na, mukong, please. Tingnan mo guys, ako magbibilang guys, serious, magbibilang ako, okay? 2, 3, 4, 5. Nag-2020 muna tayo, 2020. Bula-bula na. Sa pula sa puti. Ayun, tumaya na kayo sa loto, lalabas ng loto sa letrang pala loto yun, bingo pala yun. Ito guys, di ba? Sarap may tindahan guys. After 2 days, yes, this is it. Diba? Ang sarap na naghahanap buhay ka ng legal nang hindi mo iniisip ang mandugas, di ba? Mahirap mangdugas, guys. Busog ka ngayon, gutom ka later. Yeah, later. Oh. Di ba, Stigo? Oh, dami. Di ba? Ganda pa ng model. Di ba? Sabihin nyo, aminin nyo man o hindi, maganda ang model. Tingnan mo, ang ganda nga eh. Ang ganda ng view. Tingnan mo. Ito nga guys, magbibilang nga ako. Ang ganda, ang sarap eh. Sana hinihintay ko sana to after 1 week. Kaso lang kailangan ko nang buksan kasi na-overexcited na ako. Yeah. Overexcited ako kasi baka mawala sa tindahan ko. Diba? Baka mawala sa tindahan ko guys. Regrets in life is you didn't, get it earlier. So much better to harvest earlier. Yes. Ayun. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Diba? Ayun yan guys eh. Pag masipag ka, 2, 4, 6, 18. Pag masipag ka dito sa Pilipinas, mabubuhay ka. Kapag tatamad-tamad ka, uunat-unat ka, walang mangyayari sa'yo. Tingnan mo, why I feel more inspired? Kasi inspired ako kasi may love life ako, di ba? One day, I can go back to Denmark again with my babe. And I hope that he can get my visa, I know that I didn't wait that before my visa is end. It because, I don't want to stay there, especially if I stay more longer and then my visa is running out. So, hoping that, this time, guys, before he have my visa. Because, I will go back to Denmark. I know that. Yes. And I'm just, stay here in Philippines because I don't have visa. Yes, I'm waiting my permanent visa. And I hope that I can come back there one day because someone will bring it here. Yes. Ayun guys, aray ko ang kati. Ang kati ng ng ulo ko pala. Ulo. Yan. Ang kaulo-uluhan ko. Hello. Ayun guys, masarap guys nag-iipon. Sa totoo lang itong barya na to. Sabi nila, kapag gold digger ka, mahilig ka sa barya. Hindi yan totoo. Kasi yung mga gold digger, guys, hindi yan makukontento kapag hindi ka nakahut-hut ng malaking halaga. Ako, nagtatrabaho ako in legal way. Yun. Alam mo naman, di ba? Kailangan ko talagang mag-aral, magpaka-businesswoman. Bakit? Aba, dapat lang. Yung tatay ng anak ko ay isang businessman, di ba? Ay, baka wala kayong alam sa kwento ng story ng buhay ng anak ko. Inject ang anak ko 3 times na pangalawa, palpak. Pangatlo, yun na yun. Galing sa aking lullab ngayon. Ang aking lullab, yes. Ayun, gets nyo naman, di ba? Kung ano ibig sabihin ng lullab. 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10. Tin ba? 10 ba? Pulo. Yeah, pulo ba? Pulo. Lalaloy. Astig na. Alam mo kasi guys, kaya ko nilalak madalas ang aking tindahan na nakawan ako dyan. Alam mo yung lagayan ng pera ko, tumaob yan. As in, taob talaga. Kahit 5 duling walang natira. Kaya, alert na ako ngayon sa tindahan ko guys kasi kahit maliit lang yung tindahan ko, hitik yan sa laman, lalo na pagdating sa pera. Kaya akala lang nila ay little tiny store lang yan, my Antarantius is like it's like a big store that they can earn money to. Alam mo, malaki din talaga ang tulong sa akin ng tindahan ko. At nagpapasalamat ako dahil mayroon akong tindahan. Yes. I'm so proud of myself. Yes. Ayun. Ito guys, Itong ano na to, ibibili ko ulit to ng aking paninda. Kasi alam ko na dito ako kumukuha ng aking pang-araw-araw, lalo na sa pangangailangan ng nanay ko. Pero alam mo guys, ang nanay ko, sa totoo lang, ang nanay ko, she worked hard to her own, expenses, yes. At bilib na bilib ako dyan sa nanay ko kahit papano yan, mayroon niyang pera. Masarap pala talaga ang maraming apo, no? Kasi si nanay ay laking-laki siya sa kanyang mga apo na they always support her, yes. At saka na lang ako magsusupport sa nanay ko. All of my life is, I do my best to support my family, and this time is I need to rest because I'm here in Philippines, yes, and I'm very thankful that my babe sent the money. That's why I survived here in Philippines. Thank you so much, babe. Thank you to all of your help, especially when I was there in Denmark. Thank you that I know lately, but I know there's no regrets at all because blessings is blessings that God shared it to me, especially you. Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you! See you in the Philippines! Mabuhay! Kruhay! Antike! Ayun lang guys. Kunwari lang, hindi pa naman tapos ang videohan. Nag-i-inarte lang ako para kunwari matatapos na. Pero sa totoo lang, ayoko pang tapusin kasi aray ko nangangalay ako. Mahirap pala magbilang ng pera. Ang pera kaya ni mo kung gaano kaya kadami, no? Gusto ko maging maging kahera niya, tsaka tresurera. Dublihin ko na yung ko, trabaho para no regrets at all. Kasi gusto ko magbilang. Magsisimula ako magbilang sa sa coins. Doon ko malalaman kung magaling ako sa di ba, sa bilangan ng pera. Kung hindi man ako naging magaling sa mathematics nung I was that time that when I was high school, I want to learn how to count money. Small amounts until the biggest amount. So I'm ready for it. You know that I have experience to how to have a business. Yes, even that this is a coins, but it's helped lots. Yeah. 2, 4, 6, 18. Alam mo guys, masarap may alkansya. Ito yung sinasabi na savings challenge, yes. 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Diba? Gets nyo ba? Aray ko, sakit ang paa ko. Hello. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Ayun guys. Baka hindi nyo alam yung story kung paano ko nabuntis si Abby, ha? Inject ang anak ko. Kaya hindi si Mons ang tatay niya. Yun ang totoo. Hindi si Mons ang tatay niya. At ang tatay niya ay isang businessman. Apo siya ng billionaire sa Denmark. Kaya pala ako, dati, nung pinagbubuntis ko si Abby, laging may journalist sa paligid ko. Laging latest ang buhay ko. Yun pala yun. Yun pala. Kaya, thank you nga. Aray ko, sakit na naman, ko. Hirap lang umupo ng ganito. Parang, sa tingin ko, mangingitlog ako na parang baby. Hirap pala umupo. Guys, na nakaganon. Yung nakakatingka-tingka. Yun, hirap pala siya. Kasi parang pakiramdam ko manganganak ako ng itlog ng pato. Kaya, mahirap pala magiging kukak. Ayun, wak. Ayun guys, dami na, astig no. Alam mo, masarap Alam mo kung bakit masarap may business. Yeah. don't ever underestimating your small business, because business, it came from small until that it's getting more bigger and bigger. Dapat guys, kapag nag-business ka, dapat marunong ka mag-appreciate ng bariyang income mo, coins income or small business, because you cannot manage to have a biggest business if you don't know how to appreciate the small amounts of money, how you can use for next day. Alam mo, sa totoo lang, yung tindahan ko, hindi naman nauubusan yan totally, kasi kahit papano may income naman ako, at pangalawa, mayroon naman akong, what do you call that, increase money, at saka pangatlo, mayroon naman akong babe na nagsusuporta sa akin. Kaya yung beauty ko ay rest beauty, hindi stress beauty. Yun. O, nakita nyo na ako, ang ganda ko. Simply but prettier. Ayun. Baka ang basya sabihin, utot mo, neck-neck mo, neck-neck ng panlubag loob mo, ng kanek-neck-neck-neckan mo. At yun nga guys, basher is always alert to bash you. Just ignore, and continue life, because you'll never be a good YouTuber if there's no basher. Remember that. And I'll never feel more sad because someone attacked me in social media. Honest guys is, I experience also that someone will attacking me, or someone will send something bad comments, but you know what, it's not my type to give more time to zoom that or post it, because so what, I don't care. If you don't like me, you can go. Yes, just go. Life is come and go, so I don't need to feel more sad because you're moving away from me. People have lots of choices in life, that you can choose what is the best for your life, and so you cannot feel more regrets later. Yeah, yun lang guys, pasensya na kayo kasi honest is I'm trying hard, my nose is bleeding if I say something in English, and I'm trying hard to work hard for it, to learn more, because when I was high school, I'm not good in English. Honest guys, yes, aaminin ko sa inyo, I'm not good in English when I was high school. English, mathematics, and science. Ang sinasabi nga nila na the most important subjects in school. But you know what? When I moved in Denmark, I try hard to learn more, because I don't want that, people in Denmark is, the brain is very high-tech. And it says, yes, they are very clever, high-tech kind of brain that they have, that you need to learn more too. Kasi mahirap yung pinag-iiwanan ka na ng panahon, di ba? Nakarating ka na ng Denmark, pabalik ng Pilipinas, Denmark, pabalik ng Pilipinas, and then you'll never learn their own language and culture. Honestly, I work hard for it to learn more, yes. And I'm graduated in my Danish course, but there's no English at all. I need to learn it, so I'll never waiting that my English is getting more worse, because if you learn Danish language, you forgot English, and if you focusing to English language, you forgot Danish too. So you need to balance that two language guys, because if you focusing for one, you're gonna be bad in one of language. So when I was there, honest is I study self. I've been also in school to learn English, but it's only I think 1 month. Yes, 1 month, and then after that I stopped, because I feel like I think it's boring. Alam mo yun, yung it's like making missing words and what do you call that? It's like bibigyan ka ng test paper, yung parang alam mo yun, I think ko sa bagay, nasa school nga ako, yes. At wala akong dun guys, mas gusto ko yung tinuturuan ako, yung parang simple tutor, but I will learn more instead of using or answering the missing words, mga ganon. So, hindi ako nagtagal sa school, guys. It's only 1 month. Parang ano yung parang train, parang alam mo yung model na sinasabi na nag-aano ka na bali, step by step. Parang 1 step pa lang ako sa English. Nag-stop na ako, guys. Kasi naisip ko, I feel bored. Instead of learning English in school, much better that I will go back to school and learn Danish language. More Danish, yes. Because I know that if you know how to speak Danish or if you know how to speak English, you can manage how to speak Danish too. Or English. So, for me, it's like more easier if you learn alone home. Yes. So, it's not because it's expensive. It's quiet. Not expensive. I think it's okay. I can pay it back. But the problem is, I need to focus on my Danish language because I know that English language is easy to learn more. It's like that. So, I'm decided to stop there and continue to my Danish language. Of course, but I'll never think that I stop because I know that I need it more. And, in that way, guys, I continue Danish language until that I done Model 6. Yeah, dance to Model 6. So all of that, guys, my oral recitations is 11 and the highest is 12. So it's not bad, I got 8.5. So when I heard that, my daughter said, my daughter's teacher said that 8 na grades is good grades already. So, you know what? I feel like happy because, I did it. I did it to have a highest grades when I was in Danish course. And it's so amazing that I heard from one of the teachers. And this is, what do you call that? No. When I get 11 in oral recitations, honestly, I'm very proud to myself because I know that it's the highest grades already. Highest is 12. Yeah. So if you get 11, it's not bad already, right? So very thankful na ako dun sa bagay na yun, guys. And my next step is how can I continue to dance street? That's dance 3, guys. Ibig sabihin ay, if you done that dance 3, ibig sabihin magaling na magaling ka na niyan pag nakagraduate ka ng Danish. Kaso lang, guys, nanganak ako, mayroon akong first prioritize sa buhay ko, and lots of troubles and distractions in my life that I need to focus to my daughter only that time. But you know what, guys, the best is, wag kang magpapahila sa mga taong gustong manghila sa'yo. Isipin mo na lang na kapag ang puno ng mangga ay hitik sa bunga, kung hindi yan babatuhin, susungkitin at hihilahin ang bunga para kainin. Nangyari nga yun sa akin, guys. Ngayon, YouTuber ako, guys. It's the same. It's a fucking the same. Yeah. And it's so fucking irritating that someone will pull me down in smash like a potatoes. And I didn't allow them. Never. Never ever. Honestly, si nanay ay lucky. Lucky na nagkaroon siya ng anak na kagaya ko. At lucky at nagkaroon ng apo na anak ng isang billionaire sa Denmark. Isang billionaire ang anak ko. Kaya sa mga taong nambabato sa akin, dito sa Santa Cruz, o kung saan man, I don't care. Hindi naman kayo nagpapakain sa akin, tama? Wala kayong share sa buhay ko. Wala kayong alam kung anong mayroon ang buhay ko at kung ano ang pinagdaanan ko. Up and down ng buhay ko, wala kayong share o ambag sa buhay ko. Kaya wala akong pakialam sa mga taong nanghihila sa akin. Tandaan nyo, magpasalamat kayo. Hindi sa harap ko nyo ako sinisiraan. Dahil kapag sa harap, Promise, hahawa kayo ng rihas na bakal. Don't ever embarrass my name in public. I don't care who you are. The important is you don't have share in my life. Wala akong pakialam sa inyo kung nayayabangan kayo sa akin sa YouTube ko. YouTube ko yan, guys. It's my life. Mind your own business. Get it? Yeah, mind your own business. Wala kayong share sa buhay ko. Nakarating ako ng Europe nang wala akong ginagamit na tao. Nakilala ko si Mon sa Europe. Yes, hindi sa Pilipinas. Nakarating ang paa ko sa Europe dahil sa tulong ng mga kapatid ko. Hindi dahil sa tulong nyo. Kaya wala akong i-explain sa inyo. Wala akong pakialam sa paninirang puri nyo sa akin. Wag nyo lang akong sisiraan sa harap ko. Bakit? Promise, may kalalagyan ka. Yun lang guys. Alam mo guys, sa totoo lang. Totoo pala talaga na kapag sumisikat ka, mayroon taong naninira sa'yo. At ang happiness ng buhay nila ay how to ruin your dignity. How to destroy you as a person. Try mo lang. Try mo lang in person. Promise. Ingungud-ngud ko sa'yo ang salitang, kung hindi ka marunong magrespeto, respect me as a person. Hindi ako nakikipag-away. Honestly is, I grow up here in Santa Cruz, but I'll never have experience to fight someone. Wala akong kaaway sa Santa Cruz. Wala din akong kaaway kung saan ako nag-aral noon. Wala akong kaaway. At kung mayroon man akong kaaway, pinagpapasensyahan ko yan. I'll never bring it until to hell. Yeah. To destroy me. Never. Kaya sa mga taong nanggugulo ng buhay ko, tandaan nyo to. Wala akong pakialam sa inyo. Kung may tuliling kayo. Honest is, naninira kayo na naninira sa akin ng non-stop na. Matapang ka lang naman eh. Kapag malayo ako. Yes. Kapag kaharap ako, wala ka namang binatbat kasi bobo ka. Nakikipag-away ka sa taong hindi ka kinakalaban. At hindi ko kasalanan kung pinanganak ka ng nanay mong bobo na wala kang alam kundi namit. Tang-ulol mo ka. Yun lang sasabihin ko sa'yo. Kakanamit mo sa akin. Tang-ulol mo. Yeah. At sa mga subscribers ko, thank you to all of you guys. Thank you to stay to my YouTube channels. At isa lang sasabihin ko, God bless you all. And I hope that all of you guys is healthy. Thank you guys. By the way, bye.